Hello and welcome. I'm Ali, and today we are going to unlock one of the key secrets of SEO success: optimizing your title tags. Title tags might seem like a small complement of your website, but they hold immense power in the world of SEO. They are the first thing both search engines and users encounter when they find your page in search results. A well-crafted title tag can be the difference between someone clicking on your site or passing it by. In this video, we will talk about the great title tag and how you can craft compelling titles that not only captivate your audience but also please search engines. Whether you are a complete beginner or looking to brush up your skill, these tips will help you create title tags that stand out. So get ready to take some notes and let's boost your website visibility together. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your network, and subscribe for more insightful SEO content. Let's get started. Let's start by understanding what title tags really are and why they are such a crucial part of SEO strategy. Title tags are more than just simple labels. They are powerful tools in the world of search engine optimization. A title tag is an HTML element that specifies the title of a web page. It displays on search engine result pages or SERP as the clickable headline for a given result and is crucial for usability, SEO, and social sharing. But title tags aren't just important for search engines. They are also the first impression your potential visitors get about your content. A well-crafted title tag can entice users to click through your website, while a poorly constructed one might turn them away. From a technical standpoint, the title tag is placed between the head tag and head section of HTML documents. It's one of the first elements that search engines crawl and index, making it a key factor in how your page is understood and ranked. In terms of SEO, title tags help search engines understand what your page is about. They are a major factor in determining the relevancy of your page for specific search queries. A relevant, keyword-rich title tag can significantly improve your chances of ranking higher in search results. In terms of SEO, title tags help search engines understand what your page is about. So, in essence, title tags serve as a concise and accurate description of your page's content. They are essential for both user experience and search engine optimization, making them a crucial element of your website success. Now that we understand the importance of title tags, let's move on to how you can optimize them effectively. Stay tuned as we delve into the best practices for crafting title tags that both users and search engines will love. Alright, now that we know what title tags are and why they are important, let's dive into how to optimize them. Crafting the perfect title tag is an art and a science. Here are some best practices that will help you create title tags that not only rank well, but also attract clicks. Remember, your title tag is the first opportunity to make an impression on both search engines and potential visitors. Let's make it count. Your title tag should clearly describe the content of your page. It needs to be concise, yet informative. Ideally, keep your titles under 60 characters to ensure they display proper in search results without being cut or off. Include your primary keywords at the beginning of your title tag. This not only helps with search engines ranking, but also instantly tells users what your page is about. Each page of your website should have a unique title tag. Duplicate title tags can confuse search engines and users, and it can affect on your SEO efforts. Tailor each title to reflect the specific content of its page. While keywords are important, avoid stuffing your title with too many of them. This can appear spammy to both users and search engines. A natural, readable title is always more effective. If your brand is well known, consider including it in your title tags, especially for your homepage or main pages. This can boost recognition and trust among users. Lastly, make your titles compelling. They should spark curiosity or offer a clear benefit, encouraging users to click through your site. By following these best practices, you will be well on your way to create title tags that not only improve your SEO, but also drive more traffic to your site. Remember, the goal is to balance search engine optimization with user appeal. Now that we have covered how to optimize your title tags, let's look at some common mistakes you should avoid. Optimizing your title tags is a crucial step in your SEO journey, but it's easy to fall into some common traps. In this section, we'll explore the mistakes you should avoid to ensure your title tags are working effectively for your SEO goals. Avoiding these pitfalls not only enhance your SEO efforts, but also improve the overall user experience on your site. Let's dive in. Generic titles can be less appealing to users and less effective for SEO. Your title should be specific and descriptive, giving users and search engines a clear idea of what to expect on the page. Resist the temptation to stuff your title with keywords. Not only does this practice turn off users, but it also leads to search engine penalties. Keep your title natural and focused. Your title tag is your first opportunity to attract clicks. Don't just focus on including keywords. Make sure your title is compelling and encourages users to click through your content. Using the same title tag across multiple pages can confuse search engines and dilute your SEO efforts. Ensure each page has a unique, relevant title. Forgetting to include your brand in your title tags, especially on your main pages, can be a missed opportunity for brand recognition and trust building with your audience. SEO is an ongoing process. As your site evolves, make sure to revisit and update your title tags to reflect new content or changes in your SEO strategy. By steering clear of these common mistakes and continually refine your approach, you can create title tags that effectively boost your SEO and attract more visitors to your site. Remember, the best title tags are those that balance SEO best practices with a clear, engaging message to your audience. As we wrap up, remember that optimizing your title tags is a key step in your SEO journey. Thank you for joining me in this guide to mastering title tags for SEO. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more SEO insights.